Hi guys, how's it going? This is Kim here, and we're in the kitchen today, and we are going to be making some banana bread. We are going out of town. When you're seeing this video, we'll already be back, but we're going out of town, and I'm trying to take a little bit of healthier snacks with us. So I've got a few days before we're leaving, and I thought I would make some banana bread. I love it for breakfast with a cup of coffee. So let's get started on this bread. And this is my mom's cookbook. She passed away 5 years ago. And we're going to be using her banana bread recipe. So here is the recipe. And we're just going to get started. This recipe makes 1 loaf of banana bread. I will be making 2, but I will be making them separate. So this is for 1 loaf. I've already got the oven preheating, and I've got the pans greased. I just sprayed them with some nonstick spray. So the first ingredient we're going to be adding is olive oil. It says shortening. I use olive oil. And next, we're adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and we're just going to be mixing the flour in and the bananas. And like I said, I'm making 2 loaves, so we're just going to do half of the bananas. It's 4 bananas, so 2 bananas in each loaf. And we're just going to mix all that up. Mom always made really good desserts. She loved to bake banana bread and zucchini bread, and she would make fudge at Christmas. She was always baking something. So I was excited when I found most of her recipes. And this recipe book here, it has a few different cookies and candies. It also has fudge and divinity, which I don't even know if people really make anymore. Get all the flour worked in. And now we are going to fold in some pecans. Not everybody likes nuts in their banana bread, but I really do. So I'm just going to kind of crush them up a little and add them in there. I'm going to make one with nuts and one without nuts because he doesn't really like nuts and I really do. I'm not sure how much he's going to eat though. He likes to eat a lot of junk when we go on vacation, but I'm trying to fix that because junk makes you feel like junk. And I don't want to feel like junk on vacation. Now we're just going to get this in a loaf pan. I'm going to go ahead and mix the other one up, and then we'll get them in the oven. They're going to bake at 350 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes. And you just want to check and make sure the inside is cooked. And when that's done, then you will know that it's done. And then you're going to want to let it cool on a cooling rack. I'm trying to get all this off there. That's what it looks like, and we're going to get it in the pan and get it cooking. And that was the oven, and the oven is ready. I'm going to get the other one mixed up. I've got the second one mixed up, and we're going to get it in the pan. Oh, it smells so good. I love a good banana bread or zucchini bread. Heck, I like any bread. But, all right, these are ready. And we are going to pop them in the oven. Just check on it. I always stick a toothpick in the middle. And when it comes out clean, it's done. And then you just let it cool on a cooling rack. We're going to set the timer for 40 minutes, and then we're going to check it. The bread is finished, and it looks delicious. Going to let it cool off, and we'll slice a little bit up. Okay, take 3. I've done this twice and forgot to push record. This is the banana bread. It is delicious. I already cut into it, and I had a piece. I put cream cheese on mine. It's delicious. That's how I like zucchini bread and banana bread. And I've almost ate it all. It's really good, guys. Guess my mom knew what she was talking about, huh? Thanks for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And until next time, bye, guys.